What is the molar mass of sodium sulfate decahydrate? A. 160.7 grams per mole. B. 322.9 grams per mole. Or C. 72.05 grams per mole. The term molar mass refers to the mass of 1 mole of anything. Molar masses of atoms can be easily looked up from a periodic table. For example, in a typical periodic table, the average mass of sodium atoms in nature is given as 22.99 atomic mass units. A mole is defined such that the mass in grams of 1 mole of sodium is also 22.99. Some periodic tables may give more significant figures. For most calculations, it is usually more than sufficient to keep only 4 significant figures for molar masses of atoms. 1 mole of this compound contains 1 mole of the formula shown to the left of the dot, and 10 moles of H2O. Based on the subscripts in the formula of the compound, we can say that 1 mole of sodium sulfate contains 2 moles of sodium, since the subscript of sodium in the formula is 2. 2 moles of sodium times 22.99 grams per mole is equal to 45.98 grams. Therefore, 1 mole of sodium sulfate contains 2 moles of sodium, or 45.98 grams. Similarly, 1 mole of sodium sulfate contains 1 mole of sulfur, or 32.07 grams, and 4 moles of oxygen, or 64 grams of oxygen. Adding up these masses, we get a total mass of 142.68 grams for 1 mole of sodium sulfate, or Na2SO4. Using the same procedure, we can calculate that 1 mole of H2O has a mass of 18.02 grams. Therefore, 10 moles of H2O times 18.02 grams per mole equals 180.2 grams. Thus, the total mass of 1 mole of sodium sulfate decahydrate is equal to the mass of 1 mole of Na2SO4, or 142.68 grams, plus the mass of 10 moles of H2O, or 180.2 grams, which equals 322.9 grams. The molar mass of sodium sulfate decahydrate is 322.9 grams per mole. The correct answer is B.